Hey guys, so I'm finally working on my YouTube channel, and as you can see here, I am doing a customized color. This is my lovely client Cara. I am applying some root color. I'm doing a redken permanent color on her base. I went ahead and balayage her whole head, alternating two different colors. And right here I am just using the Framar paint brushes for balayaging, which I absolutely love. And I'm just making sure to blend in this color as thorough as possible. And as you can see here, it's already started processing. You can see the two different colors there. I absolutely love doing color. This back piece that is left out, I go back in with the second color, which I'm applying right now with the pink brush, and I'm going to use that color since it's a darker shade just to break the darker hair color that she has naturally. So it'll add some cool reflections of copper. And as you can see, the brighter color is a copper as well too, but it is a lot brighter. I absolutely love these Framar mesh papers instead of using foils when I balayage, because I feel like they really give a amazing color precision, and it helps us to be able to just pull it up and see the color without having to unfold the foil. So it makes it very easy. And at the top I actually did some medium-sized highlights. And again, there goes that mesh paper from Framar. They are an excellent company. Their products are amazing, and it just makes everything much easier. And that's her before, the front view, back view, side view, and she was really excited. This was her first time having color. You can see she's natural, 100% natural. Those are her natural curls, and I went ahead and put the color. This is after the colors were rinsed out, and as you can see, her curls were not altered. You can see here too how her hair was silky. I pressed her out using my favorite blow dryer, the Enzo Tools blow dryer Elite Light Pro, and the Cortex flat iron by Basic Hair Care. And these are the results: dimensional color.